Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another festive makeup tutorial, and for that I have created this warm tone champagne smoky eye look and paired it with a beautiful nude lipstick. For today's look I wanted something practical, something beginner friendly, something very effortless, and something that will look perfect with all your outfits. You can wear this look with your Indian outfits, you can wear this look with your Western outfits at the same time. And the best thing about today's tutorial is I have used all affordable products, and the products that I have used in this tutorial are under 1000 rupees or $10. And these are the best products that you can get under 1000 rupees. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So I'm starting with my base today. For that I am taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Serum, and I'm just priming my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. This particular primer just hydrates your skin and gives your skin a little bit of tackiness, and it makes your makeup long lasting. The primer needs some time to get absorbed completely onto the skin, and in the meantime, I'm just doing my brows using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. The best thing about this brow pencil is it has a spoolie on the other side, so you can comb through your brows to saturate the product evenly. And the tip is so fine, so slim, you can actually create very small hair-like strokes with it. And I recently shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. If you are interested, I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check that out. For today's foundation, I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige, and I'm just buffing it in using a damp beauty sponge. There is a reason why I have chosen this foundation. First of all, it is very long lasting. Secondly, it's very full coverage. And thirdly, if you want to skip color corrector or concealer, you can totally skip it. This foundation is heavily pigmented, so it will cover your acne spots, your dark circles, your pigmentation perfectly. So if you are looking for a budget friendly drugstore foundation, then you can totally give it a shot. It is bomb. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on the sides of my mouth, on my cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. I'm just blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. These concealers are outstanding. The coverage is on point. It's kind of full coverage, and they are very long lasting, grease proof, and the best thing is the shade range. No matter what skin tone you have, you are definitely going to find a perfect match for your skin tone. And they are under like 500 rupees, and you can always get it on sale like for 300 rupees or 350 rupees. And I'm also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Feed Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. Again, this is like my one of favorite drugstore powders. It has a slightly yellow tinge to it, which is actually perfect to cancel out all the darkness. To set my entire makeup, I'm going with this Rimmel London Stay Matte setting powder, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. I'm going to do my eye makeup. For that, first I'm taking this transition shade from my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color with a big fluffy blending brush from Puna store, and I'm just applying it in bigger circular motion. And the reason why I decided to use this particular palette, because the formula is on point. They are pigmented, it's not patchy, it's not chalky, it's not powdery at all, and I think most of us actually own this palette. Now I'm taking this burnt orange shade from the palette, and I am applying it all over on my eyelid. So first I'm applying it on my outer V area because I want it to be a little bit darker on my outer V area. So I'm first applying it on my outer V area, and then I'm just kind of sweeping it all across my eyelid. I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I'm taking this burnt rustic orange shade. It's just a tad bit darker than the previous shade, and I'm applying it on my outer V area mainly because I want some depth and definition on my outer V area. And again, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness, and I'm just slightly like elongating it on the outer V area. It will give my eyes a longer and bigger looking appearance. Now I'm taking this champagne, shimmery champagne color from the palette, and I'm applying it right here on the inner part of my eyelid just to brighten things up a bit. And I'm not intensifying the color, I'm just slightly applying it, just slightly dusting it, you can say. I'm highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using the same shade. Now with my Maybelline gel eyeliner, I'm just applying it across my upper lash line, and it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to smudge it anyway. Now with a smudger brush, I'm just smudging it out, and I'm just making it a bit smokier. And today I'm not going for a wing, it's just my upper lash line. I'm also tightlining my eyes using the same eyeliner, gel eyeliner. The best thing about using gel eyeliners is you can actually use it on your waterline as well. You do not have to get a separate kajal pencil for this. Now I'm taking this dark orangish or rustic brown shade, and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using an angled brush from Pune store. Now I'm taking this light orangish brown shade, and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. Now I'm curling my lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Volume Express mascara. Love this mascara. It gives your lashes volume and length. You can totally skip falsies if you want to, because this mascara is literally bomb, and you can totally see my lashes are looking pretty bomb. But I'm going to use falsies off camera anyway, and for my falsies I have used Bepholan Fauxmink lashes. These lashes are very affordable. These are like under 500 rupees. And here is the final look. I am super duper happy after creating this look. Again, this is very practical, this is very wearable at the same time, and I'm just happy with this eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. For that, first I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour palette and taking the contour shade from the palette. I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like the hollows of my cheekbones, my chin, my nose as well as my forehead. The formula of this particular palette is so good. The powder is so finely milled, it just melts right onto my skin, and it just creates that perfect natural looking shadow. And the shade that I'm using is, I think, Caramel Toffee. The best thing about this contour palette is it comes with a banana shade. So I'm now taking that banana shade and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, and you can see the difference it just instantly made. And I'm also applying it on my chin as well as on my forehead. It's just a little bit of highlighting technique. Now I'm taking another Wet n Wild product. This is again my favorite. This is Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin as well as on my nose. This particular blush is perfect for that eye look. For my highlighter, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face. Again, it's my favorite. I know the drill. My cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, and I actually highlighted the center of my forehead, but the clip got missing. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. This is actually probably my 5th or 6th bottle. For my lips, I am going with this Flower Beauty lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Crush. I love everything about this lipstick. The formula, the shade, everything is my favorite. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly love the way how it turned out. Again, you can wear this look with your traditional outfits, with your western outfits, and this look is so customizable. Actually, you can wear a very dark red lipstick with this look, a dark orange lipstick with this look. You can totally customize it according to your own preference. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar below. So please go ahead and check that out. And as always, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products and their shades, everything in the description bar down below. So please do check that out as well. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.